this we have a broad outsketch of algebraic structure theory. If we are given an algebraic structure, we can talk about its substructure and we can give a criterion for that substructure to exist. And we have standard results like intersection of two substructure is again a substructure, but the union need not be. And we have special substructure, that is in the case of groups we have a substructure to be subgroup and special substructure to be normal subgroup, and we give criterion for that also. And once we have this special substructure, with the help of algebraic structure, we can form new structure called quotient algebraic structure. And with this special substructure, we have the standard results, intersection, product, and sum of two substructure again to be a substructure. This is in the case of vector space true, and this is in the case of normal subgroup, we can have these two to be true.